In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Google Workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reach the official sign-in page, enter your credentials correctly, and confirm you're in the right place. Before we start, make sure you have your work email address and password ready and that you're using a modern browser with a reliable internet connection. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar or your search engine, type Google Workspace. This is the suite that includes tools like Gmail, Drive, Calendar, and the admin console. Searching first helps you land on the official page even if you don't remember a direct link. From the search results, click the official Google Workspace link. Look for results that come from a Google domain and show a secure padlock in the address bar. Avoid sponsored results that don't clearly say Google, and don't enter credentials on pages that look unfamiliar or have odd spellings. Taking a second to confirm you're on a trusted page protects your account. On the Workspace landing page, find and select the sign-in option. If you're already signed into another Google service, you might be taken straight to a chooser screen or the account you last used. That's normal. If you see multiple accounts, select your work account rather than any personal account to keep your organizational data in the right place. When prompted, type your full work email address, including the domain after the @ symbol. Click Next, then enter your password carefully. Double-check for extra spaces and make sure caps lock isn't on. If your organization uses single sign-on or two-step verification, you may be redirected to your company's login page or asked to verify with a code or an authentication app. Just follow the on-screen prompts and keep your device nearby for any approvals. After you complete the sign-in, you should be logged into your admin account. You may land directly in the admin console dashboard or in another workspace app like Gmail or Drive. If you don't see the admin console right away, open the app launcher in the top right corner and select Admin. That confirms you're in the correct administrative environment where you can manage users, groups, and settings for your organization. That's it. Open your browser and search Google Workspace, choose the official link, sign in, enter your full work email and password, and you're in. If you ever run into trouble accessing your account, use the on-screen recovery options or contact your organization's IT support for help.